these are what I'm using for the buttons. I'm just gonna, they have these on the back, but yeah. And I decided I'm not gonna crop the jacket for right now, and I'll do it again. I'll do it the next time I cosplay this. Alright, so this actually looks really cool, and I'm kind of proud of it, as like easy and simple as it was. But for the patches, I'm gonna try and get things as close as I can. I already couldn't find something that big, first of all, and that specific design. So what I'm gonna do is buy like material patches and just paint over them so they still look like embroidered patches, but it won't be one. And because I don't have an embroidery machine, if I did, I would just make them, obviously. Ghostbusters patch shouldn't be hard to find. That, I can't really tell what that is, so I'll probably just buy something random that I think would go with it. I'm pretty sure we have really similar patches to these at Joann's, so these ones won't be that hard. And yeah, so that's pretty neat. So for the patches on the jacket, I figured it would be easier and or cheaper to just learn how to do embroidery and make them myself. So I did that, and it's very time consuming, and I would recommend just finding patches that are similar in shape and painting them. But if you have time and or an embroidery machine,
Raindrops falling on me. I have no umbrella. Searching my car, searching my house. I can't find just anything I want. Searching my heart, searching my past. There's no answer anytime, any place. Walking by the river, that is by my side. Raindrops falling on me. I have no umbrella. Talking to my boyfriend, such a happy time. He said good night to me. I feel I'm alone. Ready for you, ready for me.
Another little hack. I actually don't have white fabric chalk or fabric marker, so I just use a white makeup crayon, like the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, but I use the LA Colors one, and you know that like wipes right off, and then you can use it if you're using a dark material. I just use like scraps or unused material from old projects, and it's a good one.
I'm just looking for